Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading in a range. Not much changes on the chart, no big action. So whatever we discussed yesterday are still very much valid. Yesterday we discussed about the selling opportunity around 4700 after liquidity sweep. That opportunity or that selling, okay, did pretty well. But overall, we can see the market is trading in a range here. And as we all know, market like this are very boring because if you look at the higher time frame 4 hours chart, you can see that gold is flat as of now. So gold is flat, it means that you can sleep and wait for the right time. But yes, you also need to be careful because sometimes we lose our patience. We end up taking some bad trades, and the net result is we make some losses. So please be careful. Do not lose patience. Wait for the right time. Okay, so to understand the levels better, we are on the 15 minutes time frame. As I already said, not much changes on the chart. Okay, whatever we discussed yesterday on Saturday, okay, are still very much valid. So during the day or during the US session, especially, okay, if market drops with high volume, yes, we can still look for a sell around 4600. But right now we can see that there is not much volume. If volume remains like this, then maybe day traders can find some buying opportunity on 4600 as well. So 4600 may act as a key level during the day. High volume, we can expect a drop below 4600. For example, a big red candle. Okay, but if you see the market is going down with small candles, then we can expect some buying opportunity around 4600, 4595. Okay, and as we have already discussed in our previous video, 456550 big zone, yeah, the purple line here is a big support zone. Once market will enter the zone, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, observe where the market is taking support. This is the biggest support on the chart of gold right now. Personally, I feel that okay, at least we should get a bounce of at least $15. Okay, $12 to $15 means 120 to 150 pips. So 456550 is the biggest support, and day traders can also look for support around 453732, the dotted line here. Okay, and the best support is around 4500. I'm not going too much in detail because I do not want to bore you guys, okay, by repeating the same stuff again and again, because you guys watch my videos regularly. Anyways, please drop a like because you can see the views are dropping. Okay, so if you just press a like button, okay, the YouTube will take the videos to the interested audience. So if you feel that my videos bring what positivity to your trading, okay, then please drop a like. Okay, and on the upside, the situation is similar. Okay, the 4800 is still the best resistance. Okay, but before 4800, we can also look for sell around 4750 as well. The black line here. Okay, the previous resistance will be working as previous support will be working as resistance here. But right now the market is choppy. Right now the market is trading in a range. So in a situation like this, okay, we can expect 4700 to work again. Yes, 4700 may work again during the day. But yesterday we got a very nice selling. Unlike yesterday, okay, today we can expect a smaller sell. Okay, so today also we need to be a little bit careful. Okay, take a sell only after the liquidity sweep. Okay, means you need to be careful today. For example, if market goes up, okay, then you may find that okay, feel that there is a breakout. Okay, so once market will be down, once market will break 4700, then only sell, just like yesterday. Okay, but yesterday we got a very good ride, okay, till 4650. Okay, but today I feel that okay, around $15-20, okay, we can exit because I don't feel the market will show a similar move. So be careful. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. Gold is choppy, so stick to the levels as a day trader. Swing traders, it's better to stay outside, okay, and wait for the right time. And position traders who are looking for long term positions, okay, you must be on buy right now. hold your buy position. That's it. But as of now, market is choppy, market is the directionless, so we need to be careful. As I said earlier, do not lose patience, do not take bad trades and end up being stuck on the chart. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Hope to see some good direction by tomorrow. That's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.